Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to test something interesting. What happens if you put higher speed DDR4 RAM, like 3200 megahertz, into a laptop that, according to the manufacturer's documentation, officially only supports 2400 megahertz? Will it work? Will it downclock? Or can we actually squeeze out some extra performance? Let's find out. Now, most laptops come with limitations listed in their spec sheets. For example, the CPU and motherboard might say they only support DDR4 RAM at 2400 MHz, but DDR4 sticks today are commonly sold at 2666, 2933, or even 3200 MHz and above. So naturally, many people wonder, if I install faster RAM, will my laptop magically run at that higher speed, or will it just fall back to the supported limit? In this experiment, I swapped out the stock RAM and installed DDR4 sticks rated at 3200 MHz. The process is the same as any RAM upgrade. Open the back panel, remove the old stick, slot in the new one, and boot it up. Simple enough, but the real question is, what happens next? After booting, the first thing I did was check the BIOS. And as expected, even though the RAM itself is rated for 3200 MHz, the BIOS automatically downclocked it to the maximum speed supported by the CPU and chipset. In this case, 2400 MHz. That's because Intel and AMD CPUs for laptops often have memory controllers that are limited by design, and OEMs usually lock it down even further. Unless you have an unlocked BIOS, you can't force higher speeds. To double check, I ran CPU-Z and some benchmark. The results confirmed that the system was indeed running at 2400 MHz, not 3200 MHz. Performance was basically the same as before, so in this laptop's case, there's no benefit from installing faster sticks. But there is one silver lining. The system is still 100% stable. The RAM just downclocks automatically. No errors, no crashes. Key takeaway advice. So what does this mean for you? If your laptop officially supports only up to 2400 MHz, buying faster RAM won't hurt. It will work, but only at the speed supported by your CPU and motherboard. The only reasons to go for faster rated sticks would be availability or future proofing, since they'll still run fine even at lower speeds. But don't expect any performance boost unless your system and BIOS actually allow it. And that's the result. Installing 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM into a laptop limited to 2400 MHz, it works, but it's capped at 2400 MHz. Hopefully, this clears up some confusion and saves you from overspending if you were planning an upgrade. If you found this useful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more tech experiments, and let me know in the comments, what RAM speed is your laptop running? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.